In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch an image in Canva. Start by opening your project in Canva and navigate to the specific image you want to stretch. Click to select it so you know you're working on the right element. Now, double-click the image to enter the cropping and editing view. You'll notice the image becomes surrounded by a frame, and you'll see corner circles at each corner. These are the handles you'll use to control the shape and size. Move your cursor to one of the corners until the circular handle is clearly visible and your cursor indicates you can drag. Click and hold that corner. While you're holding it, press and hold the Shift key. With Shift held down, drag outward or inward to stretch the photo. Holding Shift overrides the usual proportional constraint, so instead of keeping the original ratio, you can freely elongate or widen the image. This is useful when you need to fill a space or create a deliberate stylized distortion. Keep an eye on important parts of the photo, like faces or logos, so they don't become unrecognizable as you stretch. If you go too far, simply drag back toward the original shape or use undo to step back. Once you've stretched the photo to the extent you want, follow the stretch by grabbing the image's handles to match the aspect ratio of the stretched photo. In practice, that means adjusting the frame so it fits the new dimensions you just created. If the image now looks wider, drag the side handles of the frame to widen it accordingly. If it's taller, drag the top or bottom handles to extend the frame vertically. The goal is to have the frame align with the newly stretched image so there aren't any unwanted edges, blank spaces, or cropped areas cutting into your subject. Keep your cursor on the handles as you make small, deliberate movements, and watch the edges closely so everything lines up neatly. When it looks right, click outside the image to exit the editing view and confirm the change. That's all there is to it. You select your image, double-click to edit, grab a corner until the circle appears, hold Shift while you stretch to the shape you want, and then adjust the handles so the frame matches the new aspect ratio. Take a moment to preview your layout and make sure the stretched image supports your design without distracting from your message. With a little practice, you'll be able to stretch images confidently and keep your designs clean and consistent.